For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
With the foundation stone laid for the construction of the Grand Ram Temple, pictures of how the temple will look like have surfaced. Devotees across the world are now waiting with bated breath to witness the Grand Ram Mandir in Ayodhya. It's been a long wait for millions of crusaders of Lord Ram to realize their dream of a Bhavya temple for their God. The design of the temple was released by the Ram Janmabhoomi Tirth Kshetra Trust ahead of the Bhumi Pujan ceremony.
Sri Ram Janmabhoomi Temple will be a unique example of Indian architecture in the world. Sri Ram Janmabhoomi Mandir will be the manifestation of divinity and grandeur.
A series of images show the grandeur in which the Ram Mandir will be built in the holy city of Ayodhya. Architect Chandrakant Sompura will be the main man behind the design of the grand structure. Sompura, aged 77, comes from a family of temple architects who have designed over 200 such structures. The architect said the grand temple structure will be the first of its kind.
This project is special as it is being built at the birthplace of Lord Ram. We have to ensure that it should be the best. With 5 domes, which is rare, it will set an example. It will be developed as the best place of worship in terms of temple architecture.
The mandir will stand on a foundation of more than 2 lakh bricks, which will have Sri Ram inscribed on them. A carpet area of the temple has been increased from 16,000 square feet to 28,000 square feet. A grandeur North Indian temple architecture has been chosen for this architectural marvel. Ram Mandir will stand as a symbol of unique example of Indian architecture. The architect said the temple will follow the Nagara style of architecture. The temple, which will be built on a 70-acre land, is not just any other ordinary structure. Ram Temple will be a 3-story building on a raised platform with multiple turrets, pillars and domes. The 3-story structure will be designed on the lines of Vastu Shastra. The temple will be 161 feet tall and almost double the size of what was originally planned. The temple will have a shikhara over the Sanctum Sanctorum along with 5 domes. The Sanctum Sanctorum will be a huge structure with a dimension of 20 by 20 feet, arguably the biggest in the country. The temple's 5 domes are Garbhagriha, Kudu Mandap, Nritya Mandap, Rang Mandap and Kirtan Mandap. The 5 domes will be a symbol of unique style architecture. The grand structure will have a total of 360 pillars. The construction work of the temple will commence soon. The construction of the Ram Temple will be completed in the next 3 years.